Good morning, Mr. Surya and Ms. Tansha. Thank you for coming to talk me today, both of you.
Good morning and glad to meet you.
Good morning, Miss Komla and Miss Dhanusha. Glad to meet you both.
My position is that I am the manager of housekeeping management and room in Classio Hotel. I like to introduce my partner, Ms. Danusha. She is assistant manager of housekeeping management and maintenance. Let's not waste each other's time and let's go straight to the topic.
What is the problem currently you are facing at your hotel?
I like to discuss an issue with you. Recently, the number of complaints have been lodged that customers could not get their clean towel, bedsheets, and blankets on time after they requested for change. The situation continues for another week and it has finally taken bad effect on the number of customers staying at hotel. Ms. Tanusha, can you explain more about this situation to Mr. Surya?
As an assistant manager, I am responsibility for laundry service and handling with customer service. Recently, there is a lot of problems and complaints from customer against inconsistency of cleanliness of the towel, bedsheet and blankets. The reason for this all complaints is some workers do not washing properly. This problem continues for another week and is finally dropped number of customers staying at the hotel. And we are here to discuss about your company service. And Mr. Surya, we want to know what is your position in your company.
Let me introduce myself. I am Surya Krishnan, Sales Executive at Z Laundry Sandhya. For your information, we are the largest laundry service provider in Selangor. We have been awarded as the best laundry service for the past 5 years by state government. What can I do for you?
I would like to suggest a deal. What we have in mind is we believe a win win situation for both of us.
Please do go on, Miss Komla. You have my full attention.
Supposing we need first 3 months of laundry service for our hotel. This is because we should know and like your laundry service. It should be give comfortable and clean laundry service to the customers. The main purpose for the 3 months contract is we need sure the customers responds with good comments.
How about the length of contract we accept from your services, Mr. Surya?
I'm sorry, Miss Komla, but I can't agree to that. According to our company policies, we can only agree to 6-month contract because policies are an essential part of any organization.
I think this is fair for both of us. We confirm that we give you 6 months of contract with you. Moreover, we want discount for services. We asking discount because in this bad situation we can't get more profit. So we have limited budget. We have we may not have the money to afford your services and thus we will ask for some sort of discount. So how much a discount will you be willing to offer? I know that this is on short notice, but I like to add that we are on the hunt for a long time partner.
We could be willing to give you 5% discount on all laundry services. I think 5% discount is a rational rate that I can give you.
I'm sorry, but I can't agree to the 5% because 5% is very less for us because we are facing the big loss of income. We want at least 35% for the contract dealing. Do you agree with the dealing, Mr. Surya?
I can understand the situation and agree to that. By the way, it's a deal.
Okay, Mr. Surya. As a laundry maintainer, I am expecting free laundry service should there any remaining dirt, either or blanket, towel or bedsheet.
We asking these customer services from you because we want to increase our customers buy the services. I think your services will satisfy the customers needed. Mr. Surya, did you give this offer or do you have a better offer?
Regarding customer service, we will apply delivery costs according to the number of blanket, towel and bedsheet. In return, will you consider the return policy only for towel?
I agree for the return policy services, but we afraid that it's not possible for delivery cost applied. In return, will you consider for free laundry services?
If we could deliver the laundry on the same day, the laundry service will be free.
Okay, Mr. Surya, I think it's fair and we accept the contract.
That's all for this contract. We will give more details about this contract via email.
We are very excited and expecting to see our new laundry service with new hope to our company.
Don't worry, Miss Komla and Miss Danusha. The service will be appreciable.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Miss Komla and Miss Danusha.